Watcher, I'm Ian. This is the Essential Handyman. This morning I was watching Tring Shoe Repairs, which is probably one of my favourite channels on YouTube. Dan the Cobbler is a very, very talented man. He's got lots and lots of knowledge, and he's one of these guys that knows how to do things. But he used one of these, a pair of snips, to change the blade on his craft knife, which got me thinking, does everybody know the easiest way to change the blade on a craft knife? I assume that people don't, so I'm going to show you today. I must confess, most of the time I use this type of Stanley knife, or you can use an E99. There's various iterations of it. Now, when it becomes blunt, you simply, on this one, you unscrew it. You turn the blade around to get to the sharper edge, or you just replace it with another one and they're in the handle. However, with these craft type knives, you can see the lines here. That's a weak point, and what you're meant to do is you're meant to use these, snap one off every time it goes blunt, so you've got lots and lots of fresh blades. So this is what Dan used. He used a pair of snips, and he got hold of the blade here, and he just snapped it off, which is a really easy way of doing it, especially if you've got snips to hand. However, if you don't have snips to hand, just pull it out past one line, lock it off, pull out the back, and if you see on the back, can you see that cut in there? There's a hole that is designed to fit over the blade here. Which way it goes? Over the blade there. Allow you to snap it off. So, if you don't have a pair of snips to hand, you pull off the back of this, you place it, you place it over the blade, and it'll cut your blade off. One tip, don't extend it all the way, because if you try and pull that section of blade off there, it will snap all the way down there and you'll waste 4 or 5 sections. As always, working with knives is quite dangerous, especially when you're pinging off the ends, so make sure you wear your eye protection. I hope you enjoyed the video, hope you got something out of it. God bless, see ya!